Hi everyone, so I'm just letting you know I got my very first box from Influenster, and this is the Spring Fling VoxBox. Again, that's the Spring Fling VoxBox, and in it there is a car scent apple pie for the movie Labor Day. There's also some press-on Kiss Everlasting French manicure nails. This will be great. Me and my niece will probably do this tomorrow. And I've been wanting to get a new mascara. So this is a new brand. I've never tried Rimmel. But I'm definitely going to try this and let you guys know how I like it. Also, pomegranate blueberry soft lip cubes. 5-in-1 lip care. It says it hydrates, replenishes, smooths, protects, and adds shines. We'll see how that works. I love lip gloss, chapstick, anything like that. Also in here is a skin firming hydration by Nivea body lotion, and also the Playtex Sport Fresh Balance for Odor Shield. Again, this is the Spring Fling VoxBox. This is my very first box I've ever gotten, so I cannot wait to try all these items. And just want to let you know that I received these products complimentary for testing them from Influenster. Again, Spring Fling VoxBox. Can't wait to try it.